Hi, I'm Greg Albrecht for Christianity Without the Religion. The other day I was reading about the food truck industry. Don't know if you know much about food trucks, but I remember the old food trucks back in the day, 30 years ago or so, more. They were bright, shiny, aluminum-sided trucks that would roll up at the morning coffee break at about 10 to 10:15, again at noon, and then the afternoon coffee break outside of office buildings in the parking lots and in some of the big factory parking lots. And they would serve coffee or donuts, snacks, maybe some sandwiches to people who hadn't brought their snacks with them, hadn't brought their lunches with them. And this continued for a number of years until probably about 10 years ago or so, food trucks began to branch out. And now in the major metropolitan areas of North America, food trucks, you can find food trucks offering all kinds of food. Gourmet meals are not just selling coffee and donuts anymore. And in fact, they're causing some controversy because they'll pull up and stop outside of a restaurant, parked right on the street, right out in front of restaurants, involving now, because of that in the controversy, the various laws that the city councils are looking at and the police are either enforcing or not enforcing, because the food truck will be parked right in front of a restaurant. And the food truck, again, is not selling donuts or coffee, but it's selling gourmet food, and obviously doesn't have all the overhead of the restaurant. And obviously parked in front of a restaurant takes business away from the restaurant. But the food trucks are interesting because they're mobile. They can move from place to place wherever the people are, wherever the customers are. You know, the internet has done that to us as well, hasn't it? It's changed the way people do business and the way people shop or the way people buy. It used to be that a person would go to buy a shirt at a store, and then after the store, when shopping malls became popular, to the shopping mall. But now you can go online, click of a button, click of your mouse, and you can order the shirt, which will be delivered at your front door in a couple of days. Or you can order flowers, or you can order airline tickets, or you can order all kinds of things. The internet has changed the way we do business, the way we shop, the way we purchase goods. Food trucks are an interesting analogy to the way that Plain Truth Ministries offers its ministry. Plain Truth Ministries and Christianity Without the Religion are in the spiritual food truck business. We're mobile. We're not a brick and mortar church. A brick and mortar church is a church located, of course, on a piece of real estate, and you drive to it and you park your car and you go inside. Plain Truth Ministries, along with a number of other ministries, obviously, are on the internet. We are wherever the people are. We take the gospel to you, wherever you may be. And we drive that spiritual food truck with the help of supporters and donors who help us stock it, who help us keep it gassed up so we can drive it, and we serve that spiritual food. But one important distinction we always make: Jesus is the master chef. We're not cooking up some recipes in the back that we've dreamed up. We ask Him to prepare the food. In fact, He not only prepares it, but He is the very bread of life that we serve. By His grace, we're able to serve it. By His grace, we're able to take it around the world and drive the CWR and PTM food truck wherever people may be. But He is the bread of life that we serve. Thanks for watching, and allow us to drive the PTM and CWR food truck, the spiritual food truck, to a neighborhood near you. This is Greg Albrecht for CWR.